Alright. Test drive number 1. I hope my headlights stay in. Nope, they're not going to. That'll work. Okay. Test drive number 1. Let's see how it goes. God, I hope this works. Brakes. Cool. Don't hit the tree. That'll be a bad day at the end of the day. Shit. Check into it. That works. That car moves. She definitely moves. Some other shit going on. The fuel pump's down. Shift. Alright, that sucks. Let's see what's leaking. Alright, so the car runs, it drives, it runs and drives. I just gotta work some bugs out. I gotta switch some sensors over on the transmission, but yeah, she drives and everything, so it's good. Get a little bit toasty. Holy shit, that's impressive. Thank God for magnets. You're welcome, Brian. Thanks, Brian, for putting that there. I know it was you. Come on. Let's try that out. See how you like that. Alright. Number 2, so misfiring. She wasn't firing at all. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hey! You running like a champ, huh? Mine is that. And I put the radio got back on. Yep. Back open. Mine is a bad 12 pack. Yeah. The motor. And I can't shift. It shifts. Late as fuck. Oh yeah. Running like a champ now. Running like a bad boss. hope the wheels don't fall off. I don't remember tighten them. Oh yeah, she back. She back, baby. Oh yeah. Shiv. Oh yeah. My car is back. She moves. New oil engine, new trans. We'll fix that now. Line. Oh, no, it falls off. My friend. If I can get it. Alright. I'm gonna be back in the garage and go home. I'll change them for no reason. Ouch. Too far. Hi, Mr. RSX. She back. Oh, thank God.
It dawned on me that you hadn't actually recorded any of this or told them what's going on.
Well, it's embarrassing, sir. Sir, we don't like to videotape embarrassing moments.
That's exactly what I like to do.
That's what you like to do. You're an evil person.
So this is actually good information that people could actually use.
It's facts.
So tell them what's going on here.
Apparently, the 05 RSX, 05 and 06 RSX speed sensors for the transmission run on high frequency. And the 2002 to the 2004 run on low frequency. And so the transmission will turn into a power glide very quickly. And you can only go about 40 miles per hour.
But yeah, not a power glide that goes fast.
Right, yeah, it's definitely not that.
So yeah, we've pulled it out again. And now we've separated this one because he's taking it to have them get him the right one. And what the importer who knows all about this, what did he have to say about it?
Oh, this should work.
Well, no, after you told him, he's like, oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
that.
Fucker. So here I am.
Oh, yeah. Sucks. So yeah, we got all back apart.
It actually came
And when
out
I say
a lot
we,
quicker.
I mean
Me.
he did pretty much all of it because I didn't really help. I was doing other stuff. Like
Nothing important. He's playing video games.
I wasn't actually. Servers are down. Oh, you are so strong.
Very. I'm gonna feel that shit tomorrow. I'll be like, that's why my back fucking hurt. Transmission.
Well, you didn't twist and pop, so it's not that bad. Hey, so you need a wrench for that now because you broke the nut off.
What? I broke what nut?
Or no, that was the other one you broke the nut off.
Okay.
Okay, no. Hey, do the bolt side, not the nut side.
Thank you, sir. You're so gracious.
I'd love to say I'm here for you, but we all
You
know
are
it's
not.
true. I'm here. I'm just here for the memes.
Apparently.
Look at you doing big things.
What you say?
I said, look at you doing big things.
I know. Now you get this bitch in the back of the truck.
That part won't be terrible.
Yeah.
So when are you coming back to do this? Friday night?
Friday morning.
Friday morning. Ooh.
Yeah, well, I'm going up there.
I'm off Friday. It means I'm gonna have to like try and help.
Yes, this is perfect. God's plan. Moving on. So, yeah, because I got to work late tomorrow. It's God's plan. It's God's plan. Actually, I planned this out. Pretty much I said pull it Wednesday, work late Thursday, get a new part by Friday. So, yeah.
Well, it's your plan, so it won't work out that way.
Shh. Anyway, so, but I'm going to go up there Friday, get the transmission because they open up at 9. As soon as I get it, I come back
You
here.
realize we could have ordered a new manifold for this right here, and one of those Hong Kong spoolie boys right about here.
Oh, we could have. With what money?
In the time it'll ship. The money you've been wasting on everything.
On what?
Well, fluid for one.
Yeah, shut up.
Looks like somebody murdered a fucking stoplight right there.
There's no yellow. If there's yellow, it's my piss. Yeah, you gonna help me look this out?
Am I going to help you?
The whole entire thing. I'm proud of myself because it took forever to get that motor out of there.
You're proud of yourself? You're doing it the second time now?
Yeah. Well, no, I'm not proud of that. I'm proud that I did it.
All right, so that's where we're at. I'm probably not going to show any of the putting it back together.
Why not?
Because I've already seen it. We did it once already. We'll check back in with you when it doesn't work and we find out the real reason, but...
No, fuck that. No, my transmission was great, motherfucker, before. Don't judge.
Judging, sir. All right, so that's where we're at. All right, so we got a new transmission. And they say it's gonna work this time.
Yeah, it's gonna work. No doubt.
Insert the point when you said the other one was gonna work so great.
I didn't say that. I never said the words it was gonna work great.
In this video because
I don't remember saying it was ever gonna work great. I never said those exact words.
You did say something along those lines. It's being played right now.
When they engine swap, I think we pull off.
Just speak right into here and tell me how it's not gonna be a problem.
It's not gonna be a problem.
Words were not said.
Right now.
You said if I said those words.
I'm pretty sure you did.
I never said it was gonna work great.
Pretty sure you said it wasn't going to be any issues.
I didn't say that. Okay, well, I may have said that, but I did not say.
Oh, now oh god. All right, so we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. I'll check in with you guys. You don't need to see this again. What's going on?
Nothing. Just practice.
What are you doing?
Practicing.
What are you practicing?
Removal of transmission.
Why?
Because it's fun.
How many times have we done this now?
I don't know.
You know. You just said before I turned the camera on.
I don't know.
You liar.
I don't know.
So we were pulling this for the third time because we can't get. So what is the issue exactly?
American ECU will not talk to Japanese transmission because they are for performance and we are for economy. That's what I got off the internet, bro.
Seriously? How pissed are you gonna be when you hook this thing up and it's doing the same thing with the old transmission?
It will not do the same. Don't you dare jinx that. If it happens with the old transmission, I'll get rid of the car. I'm like, it's done.
Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby?
Yeah, I'm getting rid of the car. I'm like, babe, you getting a Lexus. Fuck this shit. We ain't doing this shit ever again. That's how it's gonna be. You got any more towel? Oh, you're out of paper towels?
Listen, yeah, we've used a lot lately.
Jesus, what's drinking?
There's some red rags right there.
This will work.
Yeah.
Sucky day.
Yeah.
Actually, this day should have been. All this could have been avoided if I would have just changed the motor and not the training. And just done it all. So far, I've done the same job twice.
Whose idea was that?
It was my idea. It seemed like a great idea at the time.
No, to just change the motor and not the training.
I don't remember you saying that.
No one said that?
Nope, no video neither. Don't remember. Don't remember any of that. That's your line, not my line.
That's why I laughed. Totally got me there. All right, take a spin.
Now, let's see what happens.
Straight.
Which way? It's straight.
This way?
Alright. I can't tell. I mean, I can't see the wheel, dude.
You can't feel the car turning?
No, I didn't know.
Oh my god. Sounds like you're a little low on power steering fluid.
Give me the funnel.
Try and get some of it in.
That was fucking terrible. Oh my god. I was like, I don't even know why I'm trying this. The funnels are so close. Right funnel, hopefully it's close. Stop losing that tape in this.
It's too good.
Embarrassing.
Well, it's already doing better than it was when the last two times we did the transmission. So, PSA there, you can't use Japanese transmissions in American cars. Because reasons. I still don't know exactly the reason. Solenoids or gears or what, but He's back. He's back. Let's see. I think that was a thumbs up. Yeah? Mm-hmm. The chicken and leg didn't come back?
It came back. I just didn't read it.
Oh, yeah.
It wouldn't read the
yours.
code. I just
Yeah.
said fuck it. Might be something stored. Could be anything. Oh, thank God that shit worked.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have that thing leave.
Yeah.
Finally get the junkyard
Is it water?
pulled down. Yeah, it's just water.
The cat.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
What you say?
I said one day.
No. See, my stuff doesn't stay here as long as your stuff.
Really? That motor's been sitting there for months.
A month.
More than 1 month.
A month.
Months.
Month. You're gonna go with okay? It's 1 month. It's really like 45 days. So you're saying it's just 2 months because it's in 2 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. It sounds like you.
Pretty standard math. So that'll be another project off the old books around here. We're getting ready to move, so there's a lot of things getting wrapped up. Not sure when this will actually air because of the move and the way the videos are going, but we really appreciate you guys checking in and enjoying our misery on this one, or Granberry's misery. Yeah, it was my misery a bit too. But we'll definitely be giving you guys some more content. It'll be a little weird coming up with the move and everything. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll check you out on the next one.